So good morning everyone. Today we learn about conversion from one flip flop to another flip flop. Okay, how we convert from one flip flop to another flip flop? First, first we have to know from which flip flop we are going to convert. Okay, from which flip flop you are going to convert. Suppose I given convert D flip flop into some T flip flop. I asked this question. Convert D flip flop into T flip flop. So what we have to do? First thing is first step. After learning the question, the first step is convert D into T, right? So first write the characteristic table of T. Write characteristic table of T. Okay. Characteristic table of T. Step 2, write excitation table of D. So write excitation table of D. This is second step. Third step, with respect to the characteristic table of T, in characteristic table of T we have what? T, Q of T, Q of T plus 1, right? In excitation table, we have Q of T, Q of T plus 1 and D, right? Now what you have to do? Compare this Q of T and Q of T plus 1 means present state and next state of T and present state and next state of D. Compare this and this and write down the D values. Okay, write down the D values. Write down the D values. And step 3, compare present state next state of characteristic table and excitation table. Write or find values. Okay. Next step is find K-map expression. K-map minimized expression for output values. For output values means for D. Sorry, okay. For D. Find the K-map minimized expression for output value. Here the output value is D. Suppose I given JK flip-flop here. You have to find out outputs for JK. Okay. Now last step, draw the circuit. Draw the final circuit. Okay. Draw the final circuit. This is the steps. So before, let us do a problem so that you can clearly understand these steps. Okay. While doing problem, you can clearly understood this problem. The steps. See, what is the first step? Write the characteristic table of flip-flop used to convert. Next, write the excitation table for the above characteristic table in which flip-flop to be converted. Next, obtain the output expression from K-map. Okay, where inputs are flip-flops with q of t only, and output is last column. So left q of t plus 1. Don't consider 2 of q of t plus 1 anywhere in input and output expressions. Next, draw the combination circuit. Okay, you can understand now clearly while doing problem. So now I am converting SR into JK. See, I am converting SR into JK. So what we have to do? You have to write characteristic table of JK first. So I am writing characteristic table of JK. So this is the characteristic table of JK. So what is the characteristic table of JK? When while doing conversion problem, no need to mention the clock signal, anything. Okay, you can left it. That is no problem. Here we doing conversion only. We not performing any operation with JK or anything. So just write the characteristic table only. No need to mention clock signals. Okay. So JK 00 means previous value. 01 means always 0. 10 means always 1. 11 means complement of Q. So 0 complement 1, 1 complement is 0. Okay. This is the first step. Characteristic table of JK. Okay. Next what we have to do? Second step. Write the excitation table of SR now. Write the excitation table of SR. So this is the excitation of XR. Okay. This is the excitation of XR. Now what we have to do? Compare this Q of T, this Q of T and Q of T plus 1 and write the values of SR here. Write the values of SR. Okay. Write the values of SR. So here what is the Q of T and Q of T plus 1? In first row 0 0. For 0 0, what is X and R value? 0 and don't care. So write down 0 and don't care. Write down 0 and don't care. Next, for 1 1, next table is 1 1. For 1 1, don't care 0. So write down that value. Don't care 0. Again we have 0 0. 0 0 means 0 don't care. Next we have 1 0. For 1 0, what is the value?
0 1.
0 1. So write down 0 1. Next for 0 1, the value is 1 0. Write 1 0. Next for 1 1, don't care 0. For 0 1, 1 0. For 1 0, 0 1.
0 1.
Okay. So now conversion table is completed. Okay. Conversion table is completed. Now what we have to do? We have to find out K-map for S, R. Okay. S and R. We have two output expression, S and R. Okay. Inputs are only these three only. Don't consider Q of T plus 1 column. Okay. Don't consider this column. Only consider except Q of T plus 1. These are inputs. So left side to Q of T plus 1 are inputs. Right side to Q of T plus 1 are outputs. Means this is next state, present state. So next state, right side elements are output elements. You have to apply K-map for them. Okay. For next state, left side are inputs. You have to consider them as inputs. Okay. These are inputs. These are outputs. This is very important consideration. So don't consider Q of t plus 1 as input. Okay. So what is the final expression for S and R? S is equal to what? S is equal to sigma 4, 6. S is equal to sigma 4 and 6. Don't cares 1 and 5. So S is equal to 4 and 6. Don't care 1 and 5. So let us see, apply the K map for it. I am applying K map for it. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next, inputs are what? S, R, Q. S, R, Q of t. So this is 0, this one. 4, 6. This is 4, this is 6. 1, 5, don't care. This is 1, this is 5. So I am taking expression this one. Corners once I covered, corner once, which is pair. What is expression for it? S q bar. S q bar of t. Sorry, not S. This is J, this is K. Inputs are J, K, Q of t. J, K, Q of t. So it is J q bar of t. Next, for R we have what are the inputs? Let us see. Don't cares 0 and 2. One set 3 and 7. So after applying the K map, we get expression KQ of t. Okay. After expression, we get KQ of t. So now you have to draw the final circuit. How to draw the circuit? See. How to draw the circuit? Let us see. So this is the JK flip-flop, right? This is the JK flip-flop. Now I am converting SR into JK, right? So first draw the SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop. So this is S, this is R and clock signal. So what is the expression you get for S? After solving S, you got J Q bar, right? J Q bar. So which is AND gate? J into Q bar means AND gate. So I am drawing one AND gate. So this is J. Q bar is obtained from here, right? So take Q bar from here. Next, K expression is, what is K expression? R expression. What is R expression? K into Q. We get K into Q. So which is another AND gate. So this is K, this is Q. From this Q, you have to give connection. So this is the steps to convert from SR to JK. So this is the final circuit. So this is the final circuit. See. So this is the final circuit. So we got expression S is equal to J Q bar. So Q bar is taken from here. And R expression is K into Q. So I am using another AND gate. So this is JK flip-flop using SR. Okay, this is the final circuit. What we do? First we write characteristic table. First we write characteristic table. Second we write excitation table. So once again I will say, first we write characteristic table. Second, excitation table. And with the help of excitation table, complete the characteristic table. Third, we write the Boolean expression. How to write the Boolean expressions? See. So this is the outputs. What are outputs here? S and R are outputs. Inputs are J, K, Q of T are inputs. So don't consider Q of T plus 1. So S expression is what? Sigma 4, 6 plus don't cares 1, 5. Okay. R expression is sigma 3, 7 plus don't care 0, 2. Now I want to find out the expressions for it. So I am applying K-map. So I am applying K-map. So how many variables we have? 3 variables. S, R, Q of T. So I am taking 3 variable K-map. S, R, Q of T. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is